Hi there! If you're tired of spending a fortune on luxury spa facials, or if your skincare routine feels like an overwhelming chore, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a deep dive into the viral Wavytalk Glow Time LED Therapy Mask. We're going to cover the technology, how to actually use it, and whether this little beauty is genuinely worth the hype. So let's get into it. Let's be real. Between stress, environmental stressors, and the everyday grind, our skin takes a beating. Whether you're dealing with stubborn hormonal breakouts, dullness from a packed schedule, or those early fine lines, finding a single product that fixes everything is almost impossible. That's where at-home LED light therapy comes in. And no, this isn't some sci-fi gimmick. It's technology that's backed by advanced LED technology. Today, we're looking at the Wavytalk Glow Time LED Mask. They've managed to pack widely studied light therapy and full face coverage into a soft, flexible, and completely hands-free device. But before we look at the results, let's talk about what this is doing under the surface. What makes the Glow Time LED mask stand out is that it's not just a one color, one concern device. It uses 456 high purity LED chips to ensure completely even coverage across your face. Let's break down the three modes. First, we have the anti-fine line mode. This combines 630 nanometer red light with 850 nanometer near infrared light. If you're looking for anti-aging benefits, this is the holy grail. Red light stimulates collagen production, helping to firm the skin and smooth out those fine lines. Second, the anti-acne mode. This uses a combination of 415 nanometer blue light and 630 nanometer red light. Blue light kills the bacteria that cause breakouts, while the red light helps calm down that angry red inflammation. Finally, the rejuvenation mode. This setting uses 590 nanometer yellow light to brighten dull, tired skin. It's perfect for restoring your natural glow after a long week. Now, how do you actually fit this into your day? It's surprisingly simple, and it takes just 10 to 30 minutes a day. Here is the exact routine you want to follow. Step 1, cleanse your face. You always want to use the LED devices on clean, bare skin, as serums and moisturizers can create a barrier. Step 2, insert the protective eye pads and adjust the straps so it fits comfortably on your face. Step 3, choose your light setting and turn it on. And the best part? The mask is totally hands-free, so I just pop it on and get some work done, or I watch my favorite show while wearing it. It does all the heavy lifting while you just sit there. Step 4, after the session ends, remove the mask and follow up with your usual serums and moisturizers. All right, let's talk about the results. I have been using this consistently, and honestly, consistency really is the key here. Over time, I started noticing fewer breakouts, and my skin just looked overall brighter and more even. My friends noticed my skin complexion looking more even. They all have been asking how I've done it, and I simply say, you've got to get the Wavytalk LED mask. Honestly, LED light therapy is so simple and supports my skin without making my routine more complicated. I'm feeling more confident about my skin, and I'm using less makeup now on a day-to-day basis. And now, for the price. Professional clinical LED treatments can easily run you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The Glow Time LED mask retails for much less than that. I've got the link down in the description box for you to check out. If you're trying to figure out which LED mask is actually worth your time and money, This FDA cleared device from Wavytalk is definitely one you should check out. It's comfortable, multifunctional, and genuinely delivers that professional glow up without the spa price tag. What skin concern would you target first with this mask? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips. Until next time, stay glowing, my beauties. Bye for now.